All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another, not really a project, but I guess you could call it a project today. But first, I'll show you what happened. A couple of days ago, I was driving on the road, on a freeway, roadway, highway, whatever you want to call it. I was in the middle lane, and this elderly gentleman driving a brand new Subaru Forester, I think it was, decided to cut over. You guys get the picture where this is going. I'm in a Tacoma. He decides to cut over directly into my truck. How he could not see the truck is beyond me. Even the cop was looking at, the cop and I were looking at each other like, how the heck did he not see you? What makes it better yet, I pointed out to the officer that the front half of my truck has no damage. The side of my truck has no damage. The only damage occurred to my rear wheel, which means, and now the side of his car is, I don't know if it's totaled, but it's not good. And I guess that's one of the things that not saved me, but one of those good, unfortunate things. Unfortunate for him, good for me. Because I have a somewhat lifted truck, 33-inch tires, the damage was only minimally occurred to my rim. Minimal damage to mine. But when I saw his car, holy cows. The damage occurred from the driver's door all the way back to his rear quarter panel. What does that tell you guys? Let's think about that for a little bit. That means that he was driving, looked at my truck, decided to cut over. Since the damage occurred right at his driver's door, that means that he is looking at my wheel while crashing into it. Kind of a no-brainer whose fault that is, right? So let me show you guys. But like I said, it's real minimal to mine. And I don't understand how the side of my wheel could have tore up the whole side of his truck, his car. That's all there was. Damage, just real minimal damage. And it's a good thing I didn't have the screws that are in here. Those probably would have tore up the side of his car. But yeah, there was a little cut to the wheel someplace. Where was it? Right there. Right there. That's a little slice. Now, because of that, if it was on the center part, the flat part, it might not be an issue. Because it is right where the bead sits, it does pose a potential hazard to me. So what does that mean? That means I gotta buy new tires and wheels. Anyway, that's what's coming up. But something came in the mail today for the Tacoma. Let's see what I got. Now, I heard of these. I saw someone selling it online. So I decided to go on Amazon and check it out. Sorry guys, another plane flying over. As it always is here. Normally I can read the side of the plane, but that's life, right? Anyway, this came in Amazon today. Now, the junk thing for me is that I just changed the oil on this thing last week, Sunday. Another oil filter comes in. I want to at least drive the truck at least for about 500 miles, maybe. Just so I can feel good that I did not waste my money buying that synthetic oil. But yeah, here, this is what I got. In the box, looks like OEM. Who knows if it's repackaged? I don't know. But anyway, comes with the OEM filter, comes with the OEM 2 O-rings and the filter. Okay, great. The best part is to come. Check this out. Wait, how am I gonna open this and film at the same time? Again, sorry guys. All of my videos are done with my iPhone. I still have not figured out how to use that GoPro 7. That thing is driving me bananas. Come on, let go, let go. Ooh, oil filter wrench. This thing is solid aluminum. Wow. Okay, solid aluminum. So I'm assuming it's gonna fit a lot nicer. My other wrench that I use for the stock plastic one is beating the life out of that plastic poor thing. So this is the other thing I got. This all came as a kit. I think it was about $30, so I just had to do it. Ah, check this out. Ooh, yes. Hey, how you open this? I guess it's factory OEM. I really don't know. It's not billet. It's cast aluminum. It feels nice. Wow. I'm assuming it is Toyota. I thought normally Toyota would have some kind of R trademark on it, but I don't know. So the machining, the casting looks really good. I don't know how the tolerance are. I guess there's only one way to find out. The next thing I need to do is, like I said, I'm gonna wait maybe 2 weeks or so. I'm gonna try to drive the truck as much as I can. I'm gonna try to put on some miles on this thing and then change out the oil filter and change out that aluminum one. I'm gonna post the video now and I'm gonna re-edit the video or see if I can add onto the video or add on to the editing through YouTube's editing software. I don't know. This is all still new to me. I'm still trying to figure out how to do this kind of stuff. So we'll try it out. We'll see how it works. But this is a little teaser as far as what I'm going to put on the truck. And like I said, I got a bunch of stuff coming up. I'm still calling companies to do research on their lift kits. Now another one that's coming into play that I'm looking at is ReadyLift. ReadyLift advertises a true 8-inch lift, and that may suffice for what I want to do. I'd rather just stick to 6 and not deal with the really high center of gravity. We'll see what happens. I did pick up the ECG bearing replacement. Now, a lot of guys won't do it. They'll say, nah, I don't need to. My truck's fine. You know, great. Yeah, a lot of your guys' trucks are running good. No problems. Hundreds of thousands of miles. For me, it's cheap insurance, and I just didn't want to take that chance. With my luck, something's going to go wrong. Something always goes wrong. So I got the ECG bearing with their toolkit, and I did get a long extended travel, that the silicone boots that you got to change out. So I'm going to change those out. I'm going to do all that when I rip the suspension off of the truck, the Rough Country 6-inch. I am keeping the coilovers, the Vertex. I love those. Who knows? We'll see. But my plan is to keep those. I don't know if Fox has their new system with their dual stage valve control, the DC, Fox DC 2.5 DC or something like that. I forgot what it was. But anyway, these are things to come. I'm gonna get working on this today. Some of these little things. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks everybody who posted a comment. Thanks to everyone that's checking out these videos. I really appreciate it. I just hope that this can help all you guys out there, or help someone out there. My goal is to just help everyone to be able to do things on their own, if you so choose to do so. All right, thanks again, guys. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Take care. Also, I have a little teaser coming, and this teaser is for you, Mr. Paco Sandvol. I did it again. I got someone's name wrong. Mr. Paco, anyway, you know who you are. You wanted more third gen videos. I didn't think anybody wanted any third gen videos, but I'll show you guys what I have planned coming up. As soon as the airplane passes us, whoa, this one's a little low today. God, that's so annoying. But anyway, Bilstein 5100s with the old man in, I forgot which one those are, 9880s or whatever. But the thing that a lot of people don't realize is that, I don't know if I'm the only one that has tried this. Who knows? We'll see. But the suspension, springs, and shocks from the Tacoma fit perfect on the third gen 4Runners. Now, the way you can get that to work is you take the top hat from your third gen 4Runner, you put it onto the top hat of the spring and shock from the 2016 to 2022 Tacomas. That will give you roughly 3 to 3.25 inches of lift, and it's gonna ride amazingly smooth and good. I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm gonna swap out everything from the getting a little tongue twisted that kind of day. Take out everything from the 4Runner, not everything, but I'm gonna show you guys that it's possible. Take out the front suspension from the 4Runner and swap out the suspension from my Tacoma, and it's gonna work perfect. And Mr. Paco, you wanted some videos on that? Here you go, buddy. This next one's coming up for you. This is just a little teaser, so stay tuned, guys.